Hey y'all, this is Team Meta VR Devs, and our user story is Jeff. And in this specific scenario, Jeff is going through a psychosis episode, and it is our job as the medics in the festival to properly diagnose Jeff and give him appropriate treatment. So here we see that we need to help Jeff by grabbing the scanner using the grip buttons and follow the arrows to the backpack. And then we need to quickly scan Jeff to see what is wrong. And then we need to press on the symptoms we see and then press done. And then we're prompted to type out any other symptoms. And then we properly diagnose Jeff that he is experiencing drug-induced psychosis. And we need to grab the pills to calm him down and give the pills to him. Jeff needs to change his environment so he can calm down. So we're going to grab the virtual reality headset on the backpack and give Jeff the virtual reality headset. While Jeff is in his virtual reality, we need to scan his vitals. So we're going to grab the pulse oximeter. And Jeff is recovering, so he will be okay.
Now we are in Jeff's POV in this forest map. Since Jeff is trying to calm down, we have this breathing UI, which will help him manage his breathing. We can move around in this virtual environment and explore this beautiful forest. Jeff can also teleport to any of these locations. Let's try this cabin location. And Jeff can walk around and slowly calm his nerves and get rid of his induced psychosis.